I'm about to,
What you doing? Y'all need me to sign something, she said?
Yeah. Give her a minute. She'll come in here. Yeah, with Walmart's got a. They don't like this room. They don't want us to like this. But I'll tell you.
All right. Sorry.
Right there. You're good.
What's good, fam? It's your boy BishopLo on the go. We out here. We out here at Walmart, Manning, South Carolina. Getting some tires put on Raven. Getting some brand new rubbers put on her. Not today, Satan. You need me? You don't need me, do you? All right. I forgot to get something.
oh, okay.
Damn it.
I'll forward you a
This
picture.
bitch is stuck. Yeah, I noticed. To see, I ignore 718 numbers. I swear I do.
I had to laugh. I said, yeah, let me just text her.
I saw it. I was like, hold up. Wait a minute. It might be. Thank you. Some bitch got stuck, yo. They ain't finished yet. They ain't even started. They ain't even started on my damn truck. Fucking Walmart, man. Well, I guess I'm not gonna sit there and sit still.